Hi students, MCQ number 13. An ideal gas at a pressure 1 atmosphere and temperature 27 degree Celsius is compressed adiabatically until its pressure becomes 8 times its initial pressure. So the final pressure must be equal to 8 atmosphere. Then its final temperature has to be determined given the value of gamma is equal to 3/2. So this type of problem now, though it appears to be very simple, mathematical calculation is a little different from our usual calculation. So this type of problem you have to practice many times. Now what are the given quantities? Let us take pressure P1 is given. So this is equal to 1 atmospheric pressure. So this is 1 into 1.01 multiplied by 10 power 5 pascals. This is the SI unit. So P2 is equal to 8 atmosphere. So this is 8 into 1.01 into 10 to the power of 5 pascal or Newton per meter square. Then initial temperature at T1 is equal to 27 degrees Celsius. So that is equal to 27 plus 273 Kelvin. Okay. So that is equal to 300 Kelvin. And what is T2 has to be determined. We have to find out T2. Now the equation of state connecting the pressure, volume and temperature for adiabatic process we have studied. So P into V power gamma is equal to constant relates pressure and volume. But which relation connects pressure and temperature for adiabatic change? So for adiabatic change, okay, for adiabatic change, the equation relating pressure and temperature is T raised to the power gamma into P raised to the power 1 minus gamma is equal to constant. So this is the equation of state relating temperature and pressure. Okay. Or I can write T raised to the power gamma divided by P raised to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. Or I can write T power gamma, okay, or T power gamma is proportional to P raised to the power gamma minus 1. So temperature T raised to the power gamma is proportional to the pressure raised to the power gamma minus 1. Okay. So I can rewrite this once again like this. T1 power gamma is proportional to P1 raised to the power gamma minus 1. And T2 power gamma is proportional to P2 power gamma minus 1. So left side I will take the ratio of T2 by T1. So T2 divided by T1 raised to the power gamma must be equal to, okay, must be equal to P2 divided by P1 raised to the power gamma minus 1. Okay. Up to this understanding is very simple and easier. Now after this some knowledge of mathematics also is required for us. So here the left hand side the power is gamma, right side the power is gamma minus 1. So directly we cannot equate them, but we can alter the powers. So I can do one thing, T2 by T1 whole to the power of gamma divided by gamma. This is equal to P2 divided by P1 raised to the power gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. Because they are proportional to each other, so I can alter the powers like this. So what will happen now? Gamma by gamma is 1. Okay. So now I can write like this. T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 whole power gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. So what is the value of gamma given here is 3/2. So here this is 3/2 minus 1 whole divided by 3/2. Systematically you substitute and do the mathematical calculation correctly. So now T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 raised to the power 3 by 2 minus 1. That is 3 minus 2 by 2. 3 minus 2. Okay, so 3 minus 2 by 2 whole divided by 3 by 2. So this 2 and 2 get cancelled. Is it not? So now you will see that 3 by 2 divided by 3 is 1 by 3. Okay, so this is equal to P2 divided by P1 whole to the power of 1 by 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. The 3 is in the denominator. Now what are P1 and P2? 1 and 8. Without converting in Pascal, directly we can divide because it is a ratio only. So P2 is 8 and P1 is 1. So here 8 by 1. So this is equal to 8 by 1 whole power 1 by 3. So now 8 is a 2 cube. Is it not? 1 is 1 cube. So this is a 2 by 1 whole cube. 2 by 1 whole cube. And totally this is raised to the power 1 by 3. Okay. Now this is a 2 cube whole power 1 by 3. Cube root of 2 cube only. So that is equal to 2, that's all. Okay. So this must be equal to what? 2 itself. Cube root of a cube number is the given number itself. Okay. Therefore, or we can write like this, T2 by T1 is equal to 2 by 1. Therefore, T2 is equal to twice T1. So T2 is equal to 2 into T1. What is T1 is 300 Kelvin. So this is a 300 K. So this is 600 Kelvin. But the answer is given in degree Celsius only. Is not in Kelvin, the answer is 600 K only. Okay. So this is also now equal to 600 minus 273. Okay. So this is in degree Celsius. So Kelvin minus 273. So this will come as 327. So this is equal to 327 degree Celsius. This is the right answer. So option A itself is the correct answer. Okay. Therefore option A is the correct answer. So I told you, my dear students, first you start with the given information in SI unit, and then what is the relevant formula or expression required to solve the problem. Then systematically you substitute the values and attempt it first. Then regarding this particular numerical, the mathematical calculation, how to shift the powers. Okay. So that you will have to practice. I hope you must have understood that. Fine.